How to chat with apps on ChatGPT. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser and go to the chatgpt.com and log into your ChatGPT account, or simply open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Then once you're inside the ChatGPT, tap on your profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you'll get to see some options available. Then tap on these settings. Inside settings, you can see apps and connect option available there. Tap on it. Now you can see some apps that can be connected with ChatGPT. Let's connect the booking.com for now. Once you connect the booking.com, you'll get to see the confirm option available there. Simply confirm it and connect it. Now once it is connected, all you have to do is go back to the ChatGPT and ask a question that is related to booking.com. Like now I'm asking booking.com, find me some hotel in Paris, and simply hit enter. Then ChatGPT will link with booking.com and show you some hotels available in the Paris. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.